Welcome to watch today's Fresham. 60 square meters full of ingenious solutions for a family of 4 in Bilbao. In this apartment in Casco Viejo, Bilbao's medieval quarter, the young architectural firm BABELstudio used pastel colors and multifunctional furniture to optimize the space. The initial idea was simple: to organize the space to meet the needs of the entire family. The implementation, much less so. Despite the limited initial space, each family member has everything they need. We created special corners for the children to study, play, and sleep comfortably. Good use of architecture can foster family cohesion.